Hey there, comrades. My name is Heinrich, and I'm here to inform you of a new German attack that's just occurred off the coast of Warwick, North Carolina.
Warwick here, with the details of the attack. A German U-boat fired and hit the British tanker, the Mirlo, with a torpedo. The ship was destroyed, yet thankfully, the Chimical Life-Saving Station was present, and John Allen Midgette Jr. led a very successful rescue mission for the British sailors.
It was truly remarkable. Captain John Allen Midgette Jr. and his handpicked crew of 6 men were able to save 42 of 52 of the Mirlo's men. The 10 that died had been killed almost immediately after their lifeboat exploded, so there was no chance to save them.
The attack happened on August 16, 1918. The crew of the Mirlo, a German U-boat, and 7 of the men from the Chimical Life-Saving Station were involved in the incident.
The event was significant because a large portion of a British crew was saved successfully by an American life-saving station after being attacked by a pesky German U-boat.
Excuse me. John Allen Midgette Jr. was Elijah Midgette's great-great-grandfather and Ian O'Neill's great-great-great-grandfather. The UK Board of Trade awarded John Allen Midgette Jr. with a Silver Cup in 1918, a very impressive and prestigious award, and he was awarded a Gold Life-Saving Medal 12 years later.
The outcome was an almost completely successful rescue and the sinking of the British bank. And
that's all for today's news. Thanks for watching us better.